How to send Experian credit report. Follow the instructions. Go to the Experian website and log into your account or create a new one. Navigate to the credit report section on your dashboard. Purchase your credit report if you haven't already. Once purchased, you will see the option to view your report. Click on the option to share the report or download it. If you want to download, select the option to download your report as a PDF. Save the PDF to your computer or device. If you prefer to send the report to someone, you can choose the share option. Enter the recipient's email address in the provided field. Write a message, optional, and click Send to share the report. If you need to mail a physical copy, print the downloaded PDF. Send the printed report via mail to the appropriate address provided by Experian. Thank you for watching.